Good afternoon, ma'am. We will explain our project about type of motion. Before we explain about the type of motion, I will introduce myself. Kazim Sikuya.
I am Alvin Sukira.
I am Nico Siatilio.
I am Johnny Boy Pongkol. And now I will explain about the type of motion. Periodic motion. This motion that repeats itself at regular intervals. The objective returns to its starting position after a fixed amount of time. The time it takes for one complete ball of the motion. For example, a bouncing ball. And among gigamit din nga butang kay styrofoam o stick o karing wire o kaning construction people.
Circular motion. Motion along a circular path. With constant speed. The object speed remains the same. The direction of the object's velocity is constantly changing even though its speed is constant. The change in direction is due to a force acting toward the center of the circle. Example: as asteroid orbiting the Earth. Among gigamit nga materials kay styrofoam, stick, and construction.
Oscillatory motion. Motion that repeat back and forth around a central point of equilibrium position. The object oscillates back and forth. The maximum displacement from the equilibrium position. Similar to periodic motion, it has a period and frequency. Example, vibrating guitar string. So, amo rin gigamit ani kay styrofoam, stick, hilo, o glue stick.
I'm explain of rectilinear motion along a straight line. This. The object speed can be constant or changing. Example, a car driving down a straight road here, and a ball thrown straight up in the air. A train traveling on a straight track there. And so sa ang gamit dahil sa material sa rectilinear is illustration, glue stick o construction paper.